Good morning friends, this is Manish from DSO Software Private Limited Company. Today in this video, I am presenting our hotel management software in which every module we included from reservations to check-in, check-out, room service, laundry service, garden booking, hall booking, payroll system, and even we have a group booking system. You can also see that payroll systems, we have also ability, liquor management system, all the features, accounting, like you have to maintain your hotel's accounting, you have purchasing a raw materials like anything, milk, paneer, anything, you have to stock transfer to the kitchen, how much you have stocked, even left or given, everything you can maintain in our hotel management software. So now I step by step I will guide you our check-in process, how we have to check in our hotel management software. So please see the video till the end and please subscribe our channel if you are not subscribed till now. So start. So first of all we have to check in. Like example, your customer comes to your hotel, you have to now directly put check-in of that customer. So here is a check-in form. You have to click here. First of all, we have to add guest. Like example, you have to take first of the ID of your customer, then you have to put the details of your guest. Just click on add new guest. Here we have to put the details of the guest. Like example, I am putting here Meenakshi Garg, name of the guest, gender, religion, company. If you have a company tie-up, you can also maintain your company details from here. You can complete profile, put it here, and even when the customer repeats to that firm or the company, you have to just select the company and easily where the software will pick the GST number of that company automatically. No need to put again and again here. You can see it. And put here address, city, country. Like example, you have guests coming from other countries also, you can also maintain here. Contact number. Contact number is that if you want to send your guest welcome message or check-in check-out message, which number you have to put it here in the guest entry form. On that number that message will go on. And we have also email ID facility. If you want that not to give a hard copy to your guests, just give him the soft copy of the invoices like check-in, check-out, reservation, any room services. Whenever we have to put it here which email ID, automatically mails to go that. Just example, I am putting here DSO software 1@gmail.com. ID type, the ID which you have to taken from your guest like Aadhaar card, driving card, any other you can add it from here. You can add it here. Like you want to new ID edit, you can add it here by clicking on simple. Just select it here. Like example, you have to take a government ID, just put it here, number. You can take also as directly pic of the guest from webcam, or you have to taken like you have to taken a government ID from guest. You just select it here, scan from your scanner and put it here. Just click on add and just save. Okay, now the guest ID will save. Now whenever a customer repeated, no need to enter repeat and repeat. Just click on list of guests. You can search here by the guest name. Like I am filling the Meenakshi Garg. You can see that details automatically pick up. Business source, you can select that client comes to direct or booking.com, somewhere any else, that you can select it here. we can get also a report of the monthly that how much customer is coming from direct or other booking sources also. Just select the room number, just select plan code according to your guest. Number of male, number of female. If you are giving any discount in 10%, 20%, you can also give in amount as well as percentage. Both facility we have. Now I am giving in percentage. After putting all that, you are taking the advance from your guest. Just select on payment mode. Click here. All the payments mode are seen here. Like example, you are taking cash from Google Pay 2500. You are taking advance. Multiple payment option like 2500 from Google Pay, 2000 cash, everywhere. Just click on check-in. Your customer is now check-in. You can also give him print payment receipt also. If you want to give him a payment receipt, just click here. This is the payment receipt which you have to provide to your guest after paying the amount. Like example, everything, guest name, phone number, check-in ID, room number, against which details they have made the payment to your hotel. So this is a payment receipt. If you want to give him a print form, like you have the example, manually fill the form from your guest. You just no need to fill manual form. Just click on the forms. Automatically all the details come on the form, and just print it out and take signature of your guest. So this is our check-in form. The close is just see example. In the center, all the checking lists are showing, which are in the present. We have check-in it out. Now, after checking out, after check-in, sometimes we have the guest provide a room services. Just click on room service. There is a room service. Here is a also button, and here is a also shortcut button. You can see that. We can click also on the shortcut button, and after shortcut, just click on the guest, for which you have to put the room service. Just click on room number, select payment mode, credit order, and just select the items which you are providing to them. Multiple items which you can give discount also. No need. If you don't want to need, you can also leave them. Liquor, we can also maintain your liquor here also. Let's like example, whiskey, how much ml you are providing, 20. Just click save plus print. Automatically KOT and bill will be print out. KOT go to kitchen and bill for your room service guest also. You can see all the details. So this is our room service process. After room services, if you want to give any type of any more services, like example, your guest go to your restaurant and just click on restaurant POS facility. We have also just click on POS. Just see the details. Like example, customer go to your restaurant and sit on table. They order anything. You can search it from here also, and from your categories also. You can increase your quantity, decrease your quantity. You can cancel any item, anything you want. If you want to just give note on your item, just write it here, more spicy or more salty, anything which your guest ask you. Just click on save plus print. KOT will be printed. I will show you KOT, like example, KOT. So this is our KOT, which will be directly goes to your kitchen. Your ticket number, table number, bill date and time, attendant by, customer name, everything you can see it here. After going to KOT, you shall start processing the items. Whenever the customer after eating the food they ask for the bill, just click on the table number for which you want to make the bill. Just we have all the options, like customer want to pay cash, credit card, debit card, credit to room, complimentary, wallet means to say Google Pay, Phone Pay, complimentary option. If customer want to just credit their bill to their room, just click on credit to room option and then select the guest in which guest you want to credit that amount. Just and click on save plus print. Automatically bill will come out. I will show you the invoice also. Just check the invoice done in billing. Date, time, operator ID, table number, quantity, GST with everything. Simply get out. So this is our simple way: check in, check out, room service, restaurant POS. We have also facility of takeaway also here and home delivery. Which option you want to use, you can use it here. Here is also a POS report. Every reports are showing here. Delhi's restaurant. Now we want to check out that customer. Suppose example, I want to check out that Meenakshi Gaur. Just click on checkout option, that shortcut key on top of the below this guest name search. There is a checkout option, check in, checkout. Just click on checkout. After checkout, just select that guest. So this is a checkout option. We have the facility that we have to clear all the amount here. First we have to just example, customer pay us 5,000 by credit card and Phone Pay 2417.5. You have to clear the balance 0 to check out the guest. Okay, just click on checkout and give him a print. We have also print facilities in the both multiple options. That a guest want to complete bill, just click on yes, we get a complete bill. Every detail you can see it here. Just guest signatory, authorized signatory, just give him bill. We have also a second option also. If you sometime guest coming from some companies that they want only room bill, just click on no, only room bill will be shown here. If you want a complete bill, if you want to see a room service also, you just click on room service. How many items on the price, you can provide them, just see that. If you want to send the mail, just click on send mail. The invoices will directly goes to their mail, which you have to write on the guest info. So this is our check-in, check-out, room service and restaurant POS system, which I have seen in this video. All other videos like example of the inventory system, check-in extra, check-in out, everything, all the videos are available on our channel. If you have any query, any type, you have to new video on any system, any step, just comment on us and please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Have a good day.